Hey Peter, so last night I had to play with the SMS functionality and I've got it set up working now so we can receive responses and replies from each SMS. So mine came through this morning. I just did a test last night and I think when I set it up, another one had come through that someone had already replied to. So how you'll be able to get to them is once you're in your active campaign, you want to go over here to reports on the left hand side. Click through your reports, automation reports. So want to look at the automation reports, and then you can either click on the left hand side here or have your emails and your SMSs that we've set up. So we've got that's the reminder that goes out 24 hours before, and this is the introduction one. So you can either just click on that email, that SMS there, so we can see that 167 out of 172 have gone out. So there's 172 must be either just dud numbers or fake numbers. Sorry, the 5 that didn't get sent to. And we can see that 2 out of those 176 replied. So one of them was me, and another one was someone who messaged back here saying, "Can I bring my husband with me?" and "Hi." So I've just gone in and responded to them this morning once that came through, and just responded and said, "Yep, that's fine, no problem. We'll look forward to seeing you on Saturday." And this one here is me. So the reason there's no email is that I think I've removed myself from the list. But say you can jump in and actually see the replies. Now, from the replies, I don't think we're able to do anything with the marketing that's is against privacy policies, so we can't actually then re-SMS them out of here. So if you wanted to get in contact with them, you could either message them manually yourself from your phone. But I think that's a cool idea. So maybe today we can shoot out a blanket text to everyone and just say, "Hey, thanks. A couple like a 3-day reminder. You got it coming up on Saturday. Let us know if you want to bring your partner or something. Maybe frame it around. We're really at capacity, so we really need to know numbers, something like that, just so it maybe say there's only so many free seats left or X amount of seats, so it kind of gives a bit of urgency and makes people act on the spot there. So let me know how you want to go with that. But yeah, that seems to be working now. The replies have come through, so that's cool. But yeah, give me a heads up with how we're going there.